वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। इस वीडियो में हम जो आज पीपीएससी का पैरा फोर्स में टेस्ट हुआ है उसके जो सवालात सोशल मीडिया से हासिल हुए हैं वो आज की खिदमत में पेश हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, जियोग्राफिकली इन विच कंट्री इज़ माउंट बैलेंस लोकेटेड? इट्स आंसर इज़ Australia, specifically New South Wales. Okay, next question. How many total satellites are in the Global Positioning System GPS constellation? Its answer is 24 satellites. Next question. How many GPS satellites are typically considered operational or working at any given time? Its answer is 24, though 31 or more are often in orbit. Next question. Which type of geographical area the Potohar Plateau? Its answer is upland or plateau area. The first Constituent Assembly of Pakistan lasted for how many years? Its answer is 7 years, 1947 to 1954. Next question. Under which section of the Code of Criminal Procedure CRPC is the magistrate typically appointed? It's section 12. Next question. In software, what is the result of selecting the view window split option? Its answer is it splits the active window into separate panes. Next question. How are summary trials defined in terms of their judicial speed? A speedy way of trial for minor offences. Next question. Which commission was responsible for dividing Punjab into parts in 1947? Radcliffe Commission. Next question. An accused person must be presented before magistrate within what time frame after arrest? Its answer is 24 hours. So the next question is, which group successfully occupied Punjab in the year 1758? Its answer is the Maratha Empire, Marathas. Next question. What is the meaning of the term opportune? Well-timed or favorable? Next question. What is an antonym for the word vindictive? Forgiving or benevolent? Next question. What is the antonym for the word deride? Praise or respect? Next question. What is the antonym for the word PQ? Soothing or please? Next question. What does the idiom yeoman's work mean? Efficient, hard and useful work. What is the meaning of the idiom break a leg? A way to wish someone good luck, especially before a performance. What is the meaning of the verb carry out? To complete or perform a task. Next question. What does it mean to be in a fix? To be in a difficult or embarrassing situation. Next question. Correct the grammatical error in the sentence he is a family man. He is a family man. Correct the grammatical error in the sentence she got punishment for her mistake. She was punished for her mistake. What was the primary purpose of the Simon Commission? Its answer is to report on the working of the Indian Constitution and suggest reforms. What fundamental right is protected under Article 11 of the Constitution of Pakistan? Prohibition of slavery and forced labor. And what is the subject of Article 24 of the Constitution of Pakistan? Protection of property rights. Next question. Simplify the algebraic expression 3x plus 3y plus x2 plus y की power 2 and bata x plus y. So its answer is 3 plus x minus y. Next question. What is the role of GIS in the Pera framework? Its answer is mapping and managing educational institution data, especially. Next question. What does the acronym GIS stands for? Its answer is Geographic Information System. What is the standard unit used to measure the intensity of sound? Decibel dB. Who is the credited with the invention of a lifeboat? Its answer is Henry Greathed. In the phrase "the greater your hard work, the greater your success," which grammatical structure is being used? Parallel comparatives, the comparative. What is the primary function of construction in governance? Digitizing, automating construction's permanent process. What is the standard method to add a filter in Microsoft Excel? Go to Data tab and click on Filter. Where are official license driving licenses typically issued in Pakistan? The licensing authority or traffic police department. What is the focus of Article 9 in the legal constitution context of Pakistan? The right to clean and healthy environment. What does Article 175(1) of the Constitution of Pakistan establish? The establishment and jurisdictions of the courts. Next question. Which Mughal emperor built the Agra fort? Its answer is Akbar the Great. Next question. Begum Naseem Ali Khan was prominent leader of which political party? Its answer is Awami National Party. Next question. The shoulder joint is an example of which type of synovial joint? Its answer is ball and socket joint. Next question. The elbow joint is an example of which type of synovial joint? Its answer is Hangy joint. Next question. What is a subatomic particle with negative charge called? Electron. Which specific gas is the primary component of natural gas? Methane. Which category artificial intelligence is unused for application like ChatGPT? Generative AI. What is the legal definition of summary trial? A shortened judicial process for resolving minor legal disputes quickly. Identify the primary gas found in the Potohar region. Natural resources. Natural gas, primarily methane. What is the grammatical error in the sentence? The greater your hard work, the greater your success. The word greater should not be capitalized mid sentence. Next question. What is the main objective of Article 24 of the 1973 Constitution? To ensure that no person is deprived of their property save in accordance with law. Next question: how does the view split feature help a user in spreadsheet software? It allows viewing two different areas of the same worksheet simultaneously. What is the decibel unit of for measuring sound intensity or loudness? Who was the first female president of the ANP in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa? Begum Naseem Ali Khan. Next question: under the CRPC, who has the power to appoint special magistrate? The provincial government. What does red cliff represent? The boundary line between India and Pakistan in Punjab and Bengal. Next question: in 1970 and in 1758, which Maratha leader led the occupation of Punjab? And its answer is Raghunath Rao. Next question: what is the term a statement with the key word opportune missing? The timing was dash for the meeting. Its answer is opportune. Next question: a particle with negative charge is called electron. Next question: the phrase break the leg is most commonly used in which professional field? Theatre, performing arts. Which constitutional article prohibits beggar unpaid forced labor in Pakistan? Article 11. What type of AI architecture does ChatGPT primarily utilize? Large language model. What is the antonym of vindictive, meaning seeking revenge? Magnanimous. Next question: what is the simplified form of x to x to the power 2 minus y to the power 2 divided by x plus y? Its answer is x minus y. Next question: in the context of the Simon Commission, what year was it formed? 1927. Which fort did Akbar establish as his capital in 1558? Agra Fort. What is the primary function of a magistrate under section 12 of CRPC? To exercise judicial or executive powers within a specific district. What does it means to ask? Ask requires yeoman's work. It requires great effort and steadfastness. Next question: what is the purpose of the GPS satellite constellation? To provide precise geolocation and time information to receivers. Identify the grammatical issue in his a man with family. It is more idiomatic, he is a family man. Which gas often referred to as sui gas in Pakistan? Natural gas, methane. Next question: what is the antonym of PQ in the context of irritation? Satisfaction. Next question: what does the idiom in a fix imply about a person's current status? They are facing a problem that hard to solve. And next question: which type of joint allows for the greater range of motion in the shoulder? Ball and socket joint. What was the duration of first Constituent Assembly before it was dissolved by Ghulam Muhammad? August 1947 to October 1954. And the last question: the unit of sound intensity is often abbreviated as? Its answer is dB. सो दोस्तों ये थी मुकम्मल वीडियो। मज़ीद ऐसी वीडियोस देखने और सुनने के लिए इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू।